Hello. This weekend's weather is not expected to be quite as disruptive as the last two, but low pressure will still be close to the UK. We're still expecting a powerful jet stream to bring unsettled weather, and there are still weather warnings in force through Saturday and Sunday for wind and for rain. All the latest details on the weekend's weather, of course, can be found via Met Office social media channels, website and app. But in this video specifically, I want to look at Monday's weather. Now, at the start of the weekend, an area of low pressure is joining this powerful core of the jet stream. But through the weekend, well, it stays to the south of the jet stream, on the warm side of the jet stream. Now, on the warm side, low pressure systems don't deepen as much. And what we do is we take many different computer model simulations on the track of that low and see how they compare. And by the very start of Monday, they're all saying roughly the same thing. But during the course of Monday, they start to diverge because very subtle differences at the start of Monday in terms of how that low interacts with the jet stream above it, well, they manifest themselves in quite different tracks for the low during Monday itself. There is a warm side and a cold side to the jet stream, and northern parts of the country are on the cold side of the jet stream at the start of Monday. The most likely track for that low is that it will cross over onto the cold side of the jet stream, deepen rapidly, and cross the far north of Scotland during Monday itself. The less likely, smaller chance scenario is that the low will stay on the warm side of the jet stream for longer and cross Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland, bumping into that cold air. They're still quite similar, these tracks, but they do represent very different outcomes in terms of the weather, especially for northern parts of Britain. Now, in the smaller chance scenario, with that low crossing central parts of Scotland, it mixes with the cold air across northern UK, and there's the risk of significant disruptive snowfall for northern England, southern and central Scotland in particular. But that is a small chance. The much more likely scenario is for the low pressure during Monday to cross onto the cold side of the jet stream, deepen rapidly, much tighter isobars across northern Britain, but much more of the UK in the milder conditions, with a bit more rainfall expected across England, southern and central parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, and stronger winds in the northwest. Less disruption for snow, but still the possibility of some hill snow for a time across Scotland in particular. So with that being the more likely situation, earlier today we did issue wind warnings and rain warnings for Monday. Rain because the ground across northern parts of England already so saturated and any additional rainfall could cause impacts. Wind because there's the risk of 70-mile-per-hour gusts for this part of the UK. Of course, still some uncertainty, still a few days to go, and we will keep you updated right here at the Met Office.